How's it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new episode of Best Android Apps. This time I have 5 amazing apps that you should definitely try out for the month of November. As always, I will be giving away some promo codes in this video, so make sure you watch it till the very end. Also, let's aim for 2000 likes on this video. So drop a like and let's get started. Alright guys, first up we have a launcher called Ratio Launcher. Initially it was available with an invite, but now you can easily find it in the Playstore. The concept behind it is to make you productive using your smartphone with less distractions. In the home screen you get all your applications categorized in different folders like entertainment, finance, productivity, social and more. If you want, you can also create some additional folders based on your usage. Other than this, if you long press the icon at the bottom, you get more options like light mode, focus mode, add drawers and tile settings as well. Swiping towards the right side, you get this widget section where you can add your own widgets like the weather widget, calendar, calculator, news and more. The best part about these widgets is they are fully accessible and you get a direct control of the applications. Coming back to the home screen, if you press and hold on any icon, it gives you information about the app usage. You can customize the icon, change the color and even you can enable the app locker for that specific application. All in all, it's a feature-packed and the most productive launcher that you can get from the Play Store. Make sure you try it out. Now before we move on with the next application, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Capes India for sending me some awesome skins to try out. Capes offers a variety of cool skins that looks great on your smartphone. One thing that I really liked about Capes India is they make some high quality and precise skins for a wide range of smartphones out there. Recently they introduced a new lineup of camo and pastel skins which looks absolutely stunning. There are a bunch of options that you can choose from, and also you can customize your phone charger with a skin which makes it even better. So don't forget to check out Capes India by clicking the link in the description, and also feel free to use the coupon code FHD10 to get 10% off on your purchase. Next up we have WA Box. It's a complete toolkit for WhatsApp which brings you all the incredible features such as status saver, which allows you to download or save the status of your friend. You can also view the messages that has been deleted by simply tapping on this deleted message tab. Then we have direct message, which lets you send a message directly to your friend without saving the number. WhatsApp Cleaner helps you to delete all the junk files in your WhatsApp by just a simple swipe. Similarly, it has 12 awesome features that will definitely enhance your WhatsApp experience. Guys, it's a perfect toolkit that you must have for your WhatsApp. Definitely try it out. Next up, we have a very unique icon pack which goes by the name called Cards. The icons has a very unique design which looks like they are coming out of background in the shape of a card. All these icons look absolutely gorgeous. They are beautiful 3D designed icons which will look great on any light wallpapers that you are using on your home screen. Currently it has more than 1200 amazing icons with 13 wallpapers that you can choose from. Well, it's a paid icon pack, but I do have 70 promo codes to give away. To get one, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my Instagram and send me a DM asking for the promo code. It's a first come first serve basis. Alright guys, next up we have one of my favorite customization app called TruePix. If you love customizing your home screen, then this app is just perfect for you. In the app, you get an amazing collection of home screen setups that you can easily apply on your phone, and it also offers a great collection of wallpapers as well. If you like any of this setup, simply select it and then it shows you all the apps that were used to create it. Guys, I have already featured this app in one of my videos, but recently it has received a major update which changes the entire interface, and it also brings some new features to try out. The developer of this app was kind enough to provide me with 30 promo codes. If you want to get one, follow me on my Instagram, send me a DM with the name of this app. Again, it's a first come first serve basis. Finally, we have an application called InstaClean. Basically, it's an email inbox cleaner that lets you organize your mailbox in a very simple way. All you have to do is just log in using your email account, and then it will show you all the spam emails, subscriptions or any newsletter found in your inbox. Guys, it allows you to delete emails in bulk, or even if you have any subscription, then you can easily unsubscribe directly from the app itself. All in all, it's a very useful application that helps you clean your Gmail. Definitely try it out. So that's pretty much it guys. These are 5 amazing apps that you should definitely try out for the month of November. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.